So these are dry. They're dry. They are dry.
So do we know what we're doing with these?
Well, did she measure? Divide this into 3. But she did hers on kitchen roll, didn't she, saying that?
Centimetre? Look how thin she's doing them. What do you reckon?
No, it's got to be 2 centimetres, I'd say, because there's 9 or nearly 10 in a roll. So now we're going to attempt a different type of star. So see her thumb. It's about the same width as her thumb. Yeah, I reckon it's that. See?
Wow. I've got much smaller thumbs.
Not much difference though.
Doesn't matter.
Do it. It's up to you. Do them as wide as you want. Anyway, it's your star.
These are the toilet rolls I stole from the toilet at the Christmas fete last weekend.
Oh, okay. That's.
Because these are mine.
I doubt very much if they're too bothered.
No, I'm going the same as you. I'm going for the 2.
Right. I think we have to flatten it, don't we? To concentration, Sharon. We're not even talking.
Oh, I'm probably pulling all kinds of faces as well. Concentration faces.
There we go. These are more like tree size, aren't they, for stars to put on the tree?
You have to do your points as well.
That's right, yeah. Just seeing how they went together. So sort of like that.
What did you watch on telly last night?
Actually, we ended up watching 2 films. Do you know what we watched?
What did you watch?
Beetlejuice.
Oh, I love that film.
And do you know, we both thought we'd seen it and we didn't remember any of it.
I love that Beetlejuice.
It's weird, isn't it? We both swear, but we'd forgotten, but said, oh, maybe it's because it was too long ago.
Oh, I love it.
Right, one mistake I've done. Look at that. Cut too near the corner.
Oh, right.
See, she's learnt from that. She hasn't done that.
No.
So that one's no good. So I have to use this one.
I like it when he goes, I'm the host with the most, babe. It's one of my favourite quotes.
I couldn't remember who he was at first. I had to Google him.
Oh, it's Michael
Keaton. Yeah.
That's it. Because he was Batman around that time as well, and it was quite strange to see.
Oh, right. No,
yeah, it's a good film.
Yeah, quite enjoyed it. And then later on we watched another film which was better than we thought it was going to be. It was a Jason Statham film.
Oh, right.
The Angry Man. It comes up on ours. It's in colère, you know, in French. So, but it was with sometimes when it's Guy Ritchie films, you think they're going to be a bit corny and that, but we enjoyed it.
Good.
So it was it's a sort of a revenge, one of those revenge type films.
Oh, done it the wrong way. I haven't inverted.
Ah, that's why I was made a point of because you
made a point.
If you don't one, it doesn't matter because you've probably got 4, so you can use the other one. You only need 3 for each one anyway.
Right, we'll put that one to one side. Okay, so how do you do inverted?
So you're going from the outside in rather than...
Show me again, show me.
So you're going that way rather than... So you're doing a point to the centre of it rather than out to the outside. But you do have to be careful not to go right near the corner because otherwise it's too thin and it breaks like my one did.
All right. Ooh, I broke it.
See what I mean?
So, right, not too... So little triangle.
See, these reels make it look so much simpler, don't they? But
well,
then they've probably done a few thousand.
You don't know how many they've done wrong.
Yeah.
Right, so thicker bits there. It's okay. Put this on the Who Gives a Crap Instagram because they love it when you reuse their stuff.
Do they?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's quite nice.
See? Once all together.
Oh, they look good.
Yeah, so we
I
need to...
like those better, isn't it?
So we must... what better than what?
The other stars.
Do you?
Yeah.
They're just different. Okay, so we've got 3 pieces cut like that now. And now we're going to look for decoration. There we go. We have a choice of pearls. We've got little ones.
Lovely.
The only thing I'm worrying about is the amount of glue. And
what does she do?
she painted it down, didn't she? So I have to put a tiny bit of glue on there.
No, what she does is gets the string and then just puts the pearl on the string.
Oh, I was going to decorate it with a couple of
Oh,
beads
right.
as well.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought we were just doing the thing on the top.
Because I've got no splattery paint, I just
Do you
thought
want some of those little fluffy snowballs then?
Oh, that's an idea as well, isn't it?
If people wonder what I'm disappearing down.
As soon as I've got them, so...
Got these as well, don't it? It's in these. Did she put them together first?
Probably.
I don't know, I'm not looking.
Well, she's done the paint. Oh no, it looks like she splattered the paint after.
Yes, after she put them together. So maybe I'll do that.
If I can, I will put the link to the lady who knows what she's doing on
What's
the
the
video.
Fun in that? They're slightly
Right, so yeah, I should have put it together because then I could see what was exposed. Honestly, sometimes, Jan.
Oh, look at that. That's sweet.
I'm not sure really. It's a bit big. Maybe sequins would be better.
Well, you're more than welcome.
I'll carry on with this one as it is because it's started.
I'm going to try the fluffies.
I've started, so I'll finish.
It actually was on Graham Norton recently.
Right, this one is a pearl style. The other one will be a sequin style. Right, there we go.
That was nice.
So if we when you've got to get something to hang it with. She used rope, didn't she?
Yeah, and
string.
then put a pearl on the end of it.
Ties in nicely. Forgot pearls on it to pile on the top. But
yes. Decorate or glue? Glue or decorate?
Can I get? Well, that's up to you.
What did you do?
Well, I should have put it together then decorate.
Oh right, okay.
Because I realised afterwards those beads under there you can't see them anyway.
Yeah.
So.
Straight hot glue onto my jumper.
Right, so I think thread that through there. Like that. Did she go through one or both peaks? One. So I thought it looked a bit wide.
Should I have these put together better before I decided to glue them?
What, you've glued them?
I think I had better shapes when I was doing it the first time.
See, I don't think that's going to go through there. I need beads with bigger holes. No, I mean I might have something up there. Okay, thread that through there. If I can get it in. There you go. Now that's falling out now, look. Just notice that. So how did she keep them in?
Yep, she did glue them without us seeing that.
Chubbies, how do you get the glue in there and get it in quick enough before it dries? Alright, let's be quick because that glue's going to dry before you put them on.
I glue myself to the star.
Imagine these people watching are probably thinking, why are they faffing around with that? Because we enjoy a challenge.
Yes, it's good this year when people haven't got a lot of money to go out and buy stuff. It's great to do with their kids, isn't it?
Exactly, and it's just all part of Christmas, isn't it? It's
We
like
always
that
used to
Kristen said, isn't it? You know, it's just nice to do things together and prepare for Christmas together.
We always
That's
used
it.
to make... That's nice.
That's better. I did manage to do it. Didn't think I'd get in there quick enough, but there you go.
I like those.
A little star. I think they're not glued in the right place, actually, saying that. I've not done that. It's too late. Got to do my next one now. I'm not ahead of myself like you were. Oh, sorry. Look at that, all sparkly.
Believe it. I haven't done the string though.
Right, this one is going to be superb. I've learned from that one.
Set yourself up there, Jan.
I know. Right, so I've got my 3 pieces. Talk myself through it now, make sure I do it right. Now I've got to cut my diamonds out of the, I'll say diamonds, sort of peaks.
I like the pom-pom one.
Yeah, that's nice.
Should do both sides, really.
Yeah, because it swings round, that's why I did
Yeah.
put them on mine.
Oh, did you now?
I did. Glue them together this time.
I did, I had some plain wooden decorations one year, and I painted them with nail varnish. That's quite good as well.
Mm.
I did them all white.
They was all white, were they?
Well,
White.
all white. Come out all white, they did.
It's really hard to get these. I feel like there should be another one there because I can't get
Well, you
them
can
to
put
stay.
another one there. Put
I
another
could try
one
it.
there.
Well, it's not be quite the right shape, but
I
yes,
have
I've got one
others.
here. So I've got
Yeah.
one. Let's try a fourth one because I just can't get them to sit evenly. Just me.
I thought when I put them together first time, I thought they looked better than when I then put them back together after I glued them.
Mm.
So,
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. It makes it harder because you're trying to do it before the glue dries,
Yeah.
and then you
Yeah.
can't get it back in position quick enough. Yeah, that's better.
yeah.
More
Again,
peaks, more
different-
points to be
different
star.
difference,
Okay, now I need to stick something on there. See, that one's not got enough on it now, and it looks wonky. It's definitely gone wonky, but then stars aren't necessarily perfect, just my
Of course
opinion.
they're not. Just exploding suns, aren't they?
Yeah. These have got to go on our tree, you know, just so we can say, guess who made that? Made it all by ourselves.
Yes, Sharon. I might give mine to the cat to play with.
Oh, too much glue now. Where'd it go? I've lost it.
Fell on the floor. What you need is tiny, tiny little fingers.
Yeah. Well, I could use tweezers if I really wanted to.
Oh,
but- oh look.
Who needs a string?
Yeah. 3 sides there because I'll put them on a
Yes.
hook. So yeah, no,
Yeah.
I'm carrying with that. There we go, Sharon. Where's yours?
All right, okay. I do think your little pearl one is my favourite. But...
There. See? You can't see your other one properly.
right,
Turn it
okay.
round. There. See? So we all come up with their own ideas. That's good. And yes, mine is going on the tree. And you can put yours on the tree.
I made
If you really want to and you're really not that bothered, you can always put them at the bottom so Marco can reach
Yes, yes, Marco's
them. Then you won't.
ornaments.
Is that one or this one? Okay, time for lunch.